Hi, welcome one and all. In today's lecture, I shall teach you how you can run your Python programs on Ubuntu. It is first of all necessary to install a suitable 3.x version of Python on your Ubuntu. Now you are required to launch the terminal. I shall do so by typing terminal in the search key. I have now chosen the terminal. So after having launched the terminal in this manner, you may now type Python 3 and press enter. Now it launches the Python. Now you are able to see three greater than symbols. So now you can say you have opened the terminal in the interactive mode. You have launched Python in the interactive mode. Now you can use this as a simple calculator, yet powerful. So I shall demonstrate how powerful it is by trying to multiply two extremely large numbers. Say this is my first number. So I want to multiply this with uh, um, I want to multiply this with another large number. So this is the second number. You are getting this as the answer. You may cross check yourselves and do let me know if the answer that is being highlighted is right or wrong. So now, apart from using Python for doing such calculations, you are you are free to use Python to um, to run your scripts. Now let me use a variable called name, which I will assign it to an input function. So input function prompts the user. This is a built-in function available in Python. It prompts the user to enter something on the keyboard from the keyboard. So I am asking the user to enter his name. So I shall close the double quotes and I shall close the brackets. So now it is asking me to enter my name. I shall enter my name as Niranjan. So then I would strike the enter key. So now I made the program to just accept the name. What I need to do to display the name? So I can use another built-in function called as print, wherein I can give the greeting text, welcome to Python programming, and I can pass name as the second parameter. Name is a variable, remember, which has now accepted my name as the input. So now I would strike the enter key. So I am now getting welcome to Python programming, and it has displayed my name at the end. So now if I do not want to have uh, uh, this kind of interactive window, instead I wish to store this program in a separate file. So all I can do is open I can open a text editor. I shall open a new text editor. I shall type the same program. Name is equal to input. I shall prompt the user to enter his name, and I shall print print the greeting text, welcome to Python programming, as the first argument, and name, which is the variable that stores my name, as the second argument. So I shall use name here. So I shall be saving this with an appropriate name. I shall call this as greet, and I shall save this with .py extension, that is Python extension. Okay, so I have stored this in the home folder. So greet.py is the name. So after having typed my program, my script in this manner, I can come back to the terminal. I need to first exit from this interactive mode, for which I shall strike Ctrl Z. So now I am getting the dollar prompt. It is here that I am supposed to type Python 3. The name of the file is greet.py. I have typed greet.py, okay, in the command prompt. Now I will strike the enter key. So it is prompting now to enter my name. I shall enter my name here and strike the enter key. So I am getting the same output what I got when I ran the program in the interactive mode. So keep watching my videos, do comment, and do let me know which topic do I need to cover in my next video. Thank you one and all.